Minnesota Congresswoman Ilhan Omar is now among the many Minnesotans affected by COVID-19. Omar announced that her father, Noor Omar Mohammed, died after contracting the virus. Susan Elizabeth Littlefield looks at how other Somali Americans are being affected by COVID, too.
This photo captures more than a moment. It's a story. Ilhan Omar and her father at the same airport they immigrated through 23 years earlier. This time, it was for Omar's induction into Congress after winning big in Minnesota.
For an America that does not only welcome refugees and immigrants, but they send them to Washington.
Now the Congresswoman is experiencing loss. She says her beloved and supportive dad lost his battle to COVID-19.
I wanted to send my condolences to Ilhan and her family.
Saisido Shai lives in Minneapolis and says she's seen too many people die to the virus.
I know almost 10 older men who died. It's really sad. And I know that I wanted to send my condolences to all of them and their families. But it is very sad to know that our elders, particularly men, are dying.
The Department of Health does not track COVID data by country of origin, but we did find some numbers that bring some insight. More than 6,500 black Minnesotans have tested positive for COVID-19. Keep in mind, the state's African-American population is only 8%.
I don't have exact reason, but we know that that's what's happening.
Dr. Sadia Jama is a Somalian native and St. Paul physician. She says there are many reasons for the disparities. Some say it's access to care. For older immigrants, there could be a language barrier to important health information, and she is trying to get information out.
I do recommend that people wear masks, whether you're sick or whether you're healthy. It's always better to use it.
Dr. Jama says so much about COVID is still unknown, but the pain is clear to see. Susan Elizabeth Littlefield, WCCO 4 News.
Representative Omar says that she is dealing with immense sadness and pain and is asking for privacy. Her father was 67 years old.